Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Nurizati binti Saidi, final year student from Bachelor of Maritime Management. This is my final year project presentation that titled Maritime Governance as a New Ministry for Nation. Maritime is pertaining to the ocean, marine pertaining to navigation and naval affairs, or to shipping and commerce by sea. While governance, the establishment of policy and continuous monitoring of their proper implementation by the member of governing body of an organization. So, my standard objective is to develop the Maritime Ministry itself in shaping its own goals, and the second objective is to further improve efficiency in terms of coordination of the maritime sector. So, my research will explain about how to implement maritime governance itself in Malaysia governance. In other words, to see how maritime governance as a new ministry will lead, coordinate, and cover the whole maritime sector. My study use qualitative methods that aim to ensure greater level of depth of understanding, and the data method includes interview, questionnaire with open-ended question and focus group. I also done my interview session with 4 respondents from government agency, which is Ministry of Transportation, Marine Department, Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Malaysia Maritime Enforcement Agency. My research also come out with 3 key codes that related with my topic from the data and statement from expert agency. The key code is MN stand for Maritime Nation, MNY for Maritime Ministry, and lastly MG that stand for Maritime Governance. In this research, also use governance benchmark theory and implementation theory, and also supported by systematic literature review. For my result and discussion for objective 1, which is to develop the Maritime Ministry itself in shaping its own goals. In this discussion, my study can conclude that from expert agency that said Maritime Ministry is best to have, but not to maritime only, but have to cover all about maritime, which is safety, maritime affairs, shipping, and other sector related to maritime. It's cover and take responsibility for maritime and fishery sector in general, ranging from the promotion of maritime safety and security, the protection of the marine environment, the development of port and fishing ports, the research and development on polar issue, to the management and sustainable use. And for my result and discussion for objective 2 is to further improve efficiency in terms of coordination to the maritime sector. So, from this result, I have identified that the experts said it must not to maritime only, but relate to all sector that links each other to maritime. The expert agency said that it best to have maritime governance, but they are looking for maritime governance that take care of the maritime issue, not only focus on shipping, but on other functions also, and all inclusive of fisheries, mining, or other sector that are also related to maritime. The experts say it will be efficiency if cover all maritime sector, not only focus on shipping and port. It also proved from the other country, which is Indonesia, that have their own maritime ministry that called Coordinating Ministry for Maritime and Investment Affairs. It's the Indonesia governance in ministry in charge of planning, coordinating, as well as synchronizing policy in maritime affairs. Lastly, through this objective, the expert also said that the coordination must be efficiency and go through all factors that related to prevent from occur redundancy with other departments. For conclusion, on my research, we can see that the expert agency agree to have new maritime governance as a new ministry for nation, and it also has supported by systematic literature review that related to this issue. In other side, the expert also give their idea to implement good coordination if the Malaysia governance want to have new ministry. Last but not least, in this research, indirectly it will give impact to community, political, industry and other. It is because it relates to build new governance, so it takes time to coordinate and also give impact to nation as a maritime nation. That's all from me. Thank you.